Hi friends, this video shows how to screen mirror iPhone 16 to Google TV Streamer 4K device. First we need to connect both this iPhone and Google TV Streamer to same Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Let me go to this mobile phone and go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, and here you can see I have connected this phone to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. See, Google TV Streamer also connected to same Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. After that, in this Google TV Streamer, we have to install one app. This is the app, Air Screen app or Air Mirror Receiver. In this video, I would be using this Air Screen app. You can go down and here you can search for Air Screen, then install this app. See, this is the app. I already installed this app. Let me open. Continue. Select OK button on the remote. Select grant. Select while using the app. Select confirm. So we can close this screen. If we go to top right corner, you can see one close icon. Select it. Select yes. See, now it's initializing. Please wait. Done. So now this app is ready. Go to iPhone, then from top right corner swipe down and go to this control center. Here you can see screen mirror icon. Tap on this icon and here you can see the same name as Google TV Streamer. Same name you can see here as Google TV Streamer AirPlay. Tap on this. Now it's connecting. Please wait. See, connected. Okay, this way we can screen mirror iPhone 16 to Google TV Streamer. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in this mobile phone, then rotate the screen. That way you can switch display to full screen in TV. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again, from top right corner swipe down and go to control center. Tap on this screen mirror icon. Tap on stop mirroring. Done. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.